Hi, my name's Joshua Talihi. I have a couple of businesses in the Waikato, Hamilton. I've used Raj services now for about 18 months. I've always found the service levels to be really good, on time, punctual, good quality, and good value for money. We initially started on about the 4th page of Google when I contracted Raj to do my Google AdWords and also my SEO for me. We're now currently sitting on the first page of Google and in the top 3 to 5 position. Considering our competition, which is pretty fierce for the industry I'm in, it's a really good result for us, especially in such a short time. And we've actually noticed in our business that we've had, probably from 5 inquiries on the internet on Google, we now have about probably 30 a week, so it's a 6-fold increase for us. Like I said, we're in a really competitive market, especially in my industry, but Raj has shown that he's just as good, if not better, than a lot of the other bigger players that do the SEO stuff, and from a cost perspective, very cost effective compared to what my competitors pay. So it's been a really good service for us. I enjoy working with Raj. He's open and honest and gets the work done for us to a high level. I would recommend him to any small to medium sized business that wants to improve their outcomes, business outcomes, and get noticed by more businesses, especially in the digital media space for advertising. Thanks.